Welcome everybody to live case break. This is Tier 1 case number 15. It is June the 16th, 2014. We're just coming off of Bat Knob and a bunch of crazy other stuff in the case before this. Let's see if we can duplicate that mojo. Let me read you my sell sheet. I've got John M. with the Yankees, Alex with the Jays, Dave B. has got the Red Sox and the Giants, Adam R. has got the Rangers, Chad D. has got the Cardinals, Joe S. with the Mariners, Joe E. with the Mets and Braves, Matty C. with the Orioles and Dodgers. We got the Angels in the random, and I've got Derek with the Astros, Adam with the A's, Dave B with the Brewers, Adam with the Cubs, Matty C with the D-backs, Justin with the Indians, Derek with the Marlins, Brian with the Nats, John M with the Padres, Jeff with the Phillies, Dave B's got the Pirates and the Rays, Adam's got the Reds, Kevin's the Rockies, Chris with the Royals, Buddy B with the Tigers, Eric with the White Sox, Adam with the Celebrity, and Chris S with the Twins. Alright guys, see, last case, maybe the lucky mojo was that I was able to somehow get all 12 boxes out in a neat stack. Let's see if I can duplicate that feat here. You know, it's the first time I've seen the boxes facing the same way also. Usually they're facing each other. Alright, let's see what we can do here. 2, 3. Oh, almost. Almost. We almost did it. Almost. The other one was perfect. Alright, let's do them in fours like last time. You got 4. 4, 4, and 4. Alright guys, let's do this. Good luck. Feels like a 3-card pack to start. And we start out right off the bat with the Braves. Dale Murphy, 21 of 50, dual bat. The Twins hit again. Free spot mojo, Ricky Nolasco. So there's Chris S. picking up a free Ricky Nolasco auto. And the Cardinals, Peter Borges at a $3.99. So 2 cases in a row. Nolasco mojo. Matt, I don't know, bud. I didn't make it. I did not make the card. That you have that tops. I think we got a redemption here, folks. We do. We got you, Darvish, for the Rangers. That goes to Adam. A redemption is for the Rays, Chris Archer. Autographed Tier 1 relic. The Rays were won in the random by Dave B. I just continue to hit for Dave B. And we have Sonny Gray for the A's. A's were Adam at a $3.99. Sonny Gray. Well, we start out with a Tier 1 Legends relic of Randy Johnson. That's a redemption. I would assume that goes to the Mariners and Dave S. If it's not, please let me know. Then we have another dual relic for the Braves. 4 of 50, Craig Kimbrell. For the Marlins and Derek, we have Livan Hernandez. And for the Cubs, we have Mike Olt. I swear we hit this exact same pack last box. Mike Olt for the Cubs. Cubs were Adam. Alright, box number 4. For the Rays, Fred McGriff. And wow, for the Phillies, the second one of these I've hit. Steve Carlton, 1 of 25. Dual relic auto. Phillies were Jeff M. 1 of 25. Steve Carlton. I've been on some kind of Phillies run. And for the Cardinals, we have Matt Adams at a $3.99 for Chad D. I think he hit a home run every game this weekend, they were saying, on ESPN today. Alright, I think it's the Mariners. If you have proof it's the D-backs, let me know. I'm pretty sure it's the Mariners, though, bud. And for the Jays, we have Edwin Encarnacion at a $3.99. For the A's, we have Jared Parker, 4 of 50, dual relic. For the Indians, Carlos Baerga, 26 of 299. Indians were Justin. And for the Brewers, Tyler Thornburg at a $3.99. I gotta say, this case is not resembling the last case in any way. He's a D-back? Okay, so let me write that on there. Let me write that on the redemption, and it will be a D-back. If you guys have evidence it's not, no problem. I wrote D-backs on it. We'll go to D-backs. No worries. There's a 3-card pack for the Tigers. And, buddy, we have Miguel Cabrera at a $2.99. And for the A's, Jose Canseco at a $2.99. The A's were Adam. And for the Rockies, Willen Rosario. That goes to Kevin at a $3.99. We gotta have something big coming up. That was 6 weak boxes. Alright, for the Rockies, we have Troy Tulowitzki of $2.99. It's like we have the exact same cards as last case, absent the huge hits. Lee Smith at a $2.99. And our gold auto of the Mets, Wilmer Flores, 14 of 25. 14 of 25. Wilmer Flores, bronze for Joe. Alright, box number 8. We are 2/3 of the way through this beast. Something's good's got to come. And we got a Giants hit. Hunter Pence. Giants were Dave B. For the White Sox, Albert Bell at a $2.99. And for the Rays, Enny Romero at a $3.99. As good as the last case was, is as bad as this case has been. We better have like a Babe Ruth. Oh, another bat knob, guys. Are you kidding me? Second bat knob in a row. We just hit another bat knob. It has to be. The thing weighs 8 tons. It is a bat knob. And it is, oh my goodness. My heart just broke in 17 pieces. This is torture. Dave B, I love you, but I feel immense torture for what just happened to me. This hurts. I honestly, I'm 2 steps away from crying. Congrats, buddy. That's nice. You're welcome, bud. I'm sorry I'm not more exuberant on that one. I know you understand. That's gorgeous. Okay. We have Beltre for the Rangers. Jim Rice for the Red Sox. Tony Cingrani for the Reds. Hold on, I gotta text him on that one. Davey, if there's any chance you want to trade that card, let me know. I know you're a Sox fan too, so I know it is unlikely. We still got the clear in this one, too. I think, no, we don't have it yet. There is Pedroia again. 1 out of 254. One out of 254. Big Poppy. Wow, this case heating up at the end. Big Poppy, 22 of 50. And Michael Waka for the Cardinals. What a good pack at a $3.99. We'll try Museum. If I can get it full, I'll run it. This is probably the clear. It's pretty thin. Yeah, this is the clear, guys. All right, we got Sal Perez. Man, I am a Phillies machine. Sal Perez at a $3.99. Manny Machado at a $2.54, and then another Steve Carlton at a $25. So Jeff, every damn day mojo for you, buddy. Steve Carlton, second one, 11 out of 25. I think that's the fourth Steve Carlton I've pulled. Steve Carlton and Schmidt, I've killed them. All right, guys. Last box. I had thought the Pedroia knob was already pulled. Maybe there's more than one. Wow, Red Sox killing it. We got David Ortiz at a $1.99. Ben Zobrist at a $2.99. And to finish it, we got Junior Lake of $3.99. And that's the break, guys.